Hello Math 152 students, this video is to show you how to submit a lab or another assignment where you need to upload a document. So let's go to the Assignments tab, and you will see posted at the bottom a link for StatCrunch Lab for Chapter 2. The first thing that you'll want to do is download the assignment file. So the assignment file is just a Word document where you will type in your answers. So let me open that up. And it looks like this. So the directions have you utilizing your textbook and completing parts of the problem and pasting in your graph. So for example, you might create a bar graph or a histogram or a dot plot and paste in those graphs. So you have two problems, and in the second one, some of the parts have multiple subparts. So make sure you're reading carefully and answering the ones that I asked. So what you'll do is just type or paste your answers in as directed, save your document. I recommend saving it on your desktop or a thumb drive somewhere easy to find. And then when you are ready to complete the assignment, you will upload your document back. Now, before I show you how to do that, notice that there is a video to help you with this lab. I walk you through some of the procedures step by step so that in addition to the technology step-by-step sections in your textbook, you can watch me do a few things on StatCrunch. I show you where to click to get in, how to create some of the graphs, a few tips on copying and pasting, and walk you through some things that can go wrong, some issues StatCrunch can have. So check that video out after you download this document before you get started. So once you've downloaded the assignment file, completed the assignment, and you're ready to upload, you actually will need to click on this link. So click the top link, and this will take you into a screen where you can write your submission or attach a file. So you'll want to choose the Attach File option, browse your computer, select the file, and upload it here. So after you upload your file, you can add any notes if you have any for me to take a look at, just comments like if you had any issues, and then submit. All right, guys, so that should get you through the first submission. We'll have this idea of uploading a document multiple times throughout the semester, usually using this procedure.